Hey, what's up everyone? So today, this week, I don't know how long this is going to take me, we're going to be ripping out this bathroom and this laundry area, this whole area right here, and redoing it. It's been this way since we moved into this house. My family did probably 20 some odd years ago, 25 years ago. And this was just thrown together real quick because this house did not have a half bath on the first floor. It only had the full bath attached to the master, so there was no room or nowhere for guests to go. But it is horrible. It hasn't been kept up. It's pretty much hasn't even been cleaned in that long either. So it's falling apart now, and so we're going to tear all this out. Hopefully if Chris can come help me. But yeah, we're going to tear all this out. We're going to turn this into one big room, make it a laundry / bath, washroom, mud room, whatever you want to call it. There's going to be some issues. Let me grab the camera, I'll show you. First and foremost, this room in here, which you can't really see, but this whole room is a big sunroom. And it used to be a screened-in porch, and so the floor is not level. And this room, although looks it, this bathroom is not square. And it's a complete mess and a disaster. Like there's water damage back there. The toilet had to be put up on a pedestal so we didn't have to jackhammer through the floor. That pedestal was not big enough for the new toilet because the old toilet broke. And so I got to rebuild that pedestal and get rid of that. When we expand this room, I'm going to just make a whole little step up, like a little deck or whatever you want to call it. Then getting rid of this wall, there's going to be another issue here. We got some electrical going into this wall. This is non-sporting, so I'm just going to hit it with the hammer and knock it out. Well, there's some electrical there, the switches, got to figure out where those are going. Another big problem, bringing the wall over to here, we have literally non-stop blinds going, so I don't know how I'm going to attach the wall over here. We're going to do a big barn door. Hold on, let me back up here. I'm going to do a big barn door right here to keep this area kind of open but still be able to close it. So I got to figure out how to attach the barn door over to that side, or at least the rail for it. Then there's some old junky lighting in here. There's an old fan and light in here. There's this little lamp in here. Not really sure if I'm going to swap those out or what I'm going to do, hoping the ceiling is the same height. And then the other thing is the rafters on the roof. The rafters on the roof are going like this way. So if I do new electrical up there, that's going to be a pain in the butt. Going to have to drill through all that, but not that big of a deal. All right, let's set you back up so I can get to talking again. All right, for my interior decorator, I am sorry I didn't get an opportunity to talk to you about what I was going to do over here and get your buy-in on it, but I hope you like it. It should come out hopefully nice. If I can make some things look square without having anything square to start off with. All right, let's get to that demo. there you have it. Most of the demo's done. Just got a couple studs left to do. If you're wondering why I did it the way I did it, instead of just pounding with the sledgehammer, just knocking the whole thing down, I'm trying to save the 8-foot studs so I can reuse them, because those things are like 11 bucks a piece now. So might as well reuse wood if I can reuse wood. Yeah, base it all down and I'm gonna step out of the way. A lot bigger space. Now you can see the whole thing. So should be more than enough room in there to make a nice washroom and bathroom. The rest of the studs I'm going to do off camera, because that's where all the electrical is. So I'm going to have to go find the breaker, cut it off, remove all that electrical, and fish it back out. So I'm just going to do all that off camera. There's nothing fancy about it. But yeah, there you go. Stage 1 done.